This mount is awesome. It's built like a tank and it does not move at all with just a small turn of the knob. Wish I would have ordered it long ago. I recently purchased this mount to install a Lowrance Hook 7 on the bow of my boat. It holds the unit very sturdy at full speeds and very easy to adjust to any position that is necessary. I used machine screws, nuts, and washer size 10 by 24 by 1 for the installation. I am very happy with this purchase. Works great on the kayak. Works even better on boats. This mount is built to last. Quality product. Can't go wrong with a RAM. Used the front 2 screws to pinch a canvas strap to hold on my graph covers. I have a Garmin Striker Plus 7 CV and it fits perfectly. Easy to install and does the job. I have an older boat and the mount really brings everything together. Worked perfectly to mount my Garmin GPS on our boat. It's well built and easy to use. Would have been nice to have included mounting hardware, but since every install is unique they probably figured it wasn't practical to include every type of fastener. Haven't used it on rough water yet, but this was exactly what I needed to mount my HDS7. Seems very sturdy and I don't predict it will move even when in rough water. Very sturdy. Mounted a Garmin 93 SV. Solid piece built very well. Click link in description for more reviews.